So I came today to get my COVID vaccine, and I'm very excited about that. As you know, this has been a very trying year for everyone, and the pandemic is still raging on. We're seeing a surge in cases. It's not going to end anytime soon until we reach herd immunity. And herd immunity requires all of us who can get vaccinated to get vaccinated. Either that, or we choose the option of natural immunity, which for me is not an option that I want to take. I've seen how people's lives have been devastated by COVID. Even when people survive, sometimes they have long-term consequences that they have to deal with. And unfortunately, many in our community have died. The vaccines have been out for a while now. We know that they are safe and effective. So I didn't want to risk getting sick from COVID, and instead have chosen to immunize myself through a vaccination. I got the Moderna vaccine, so I need to come back for a second dose in 28 days. And so I got a little card to remind me and to make an appointment for that. And it's important. One dose is good, but the second dose gives you the better protection. And in the meantime, even though we've been vaccinated, we have to continue to wash our hands, to cover our coughs and our sneezes, to wear our face covering, to keep 6-foot social distancing, and to stay home when sick. All the things that we've been doing up until now, this doesn't give us a license to stop doing those things. Those things have to continue.